Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy M55, and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this device. So to get started, you want to open up content that you wish to capture, and I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so it's already open and visible on my screen. Now, once that's the case for you, all you need to do is hold power button and volume down at the same time, or more like press them at the same time. You'll see this flash and a couple options like edit, tag, and share. And then, as you can see, it does disappear after a moment. So once it does so, you can open up your gallery application and navigate to the albums. And in here, you'll find an album called Screenshots, in which you'll find strictly screenshots that you've captured over the time of using this device. And here's the one that I have just captured. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.